Day 1 of 31 Ulam idea. Heat oil and sauté garlic until brown. Then put half kilo of pork. Just flip the pork as needed to fry it a little bit. Tell us where you are watching to get a shout out. Then put 1 cup of soy sauce. Then mix it. Let it boil in about 5 minutes. Add 2 pieces of bay leaves. Can you hit subscribe button for Day to Ulam idea? Don't forget one like one love. Add 2 cups of water. Add pepper. Then mix it again. Add brown sugar. Tell us in comment section how you cook adobo. Add 1/2 cup of vinegar. Do not mix it. Just cover it for 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can now mix it. Add sugar or salt until you get your preferred taste. Simmer for 5 minutes and your adobo is ready. Thank you for watching.